Because Moi won against Jaramogi, he won against Kibaki, we won against Matiba, because we had got it all wrong. We did not solve the problem of the day. And this time around, I think the country is so angry, and the elections may not matter. I am telling you, and I believe it, the country is so angry. And me, James Orengo, I can tell you, I cannot sacrifice the truth for any political gain. I'll always say the truth. I'll always say the truth. And I think I've survived in politics because of saying the truth. When I won an election, we didn't have money to run around with, but at least there was some element of fairness. Now, I'm asking my party ODM, don't lose this thing that the High Court of Kenya has said that Azimio is the majority party. Don't leave it, because instead of sitting on the table with whoever is in power, the court is giving you what belongs to you. Why are we giving up? Why is Kenya giving up? When history and everything is behind you. We don't want career politicians. We have people with convictions. This is what will bring change to Kenya. Don't go to somebody's house and you're given a good meal and then you forget that the next meal will not be the same. You know, we have got it wrong since independence. We got it wrong. And that's why even the Gen Zs who are talking about here, I believe that your cry still cannot be heard, because all the time we get it all wrong. We are 2.5 years to the elections, and everybody's talking about the elections. Everybody's talking about the elections, because that is our mindset. But there was the only great thing that Stalin said. Stalin was a Soviet leader. He said, instead of wasting time with the voters, you spend your time with those who count the votes. They're the people who matter. So I am asking everybody, because the signs are that we are going to get it wrong again in 2027. We are getting wrong again in 2027. Kenya wanted change a long time ago. And we were told that until we had a proper constitutional basis for running our elections, we will never succeed. Because Moi won against Jaramogi, he won against Kibaki, we won against Matiba, because we had got it all wrong. We did not solve the problem of the day. And this time around, I think the country is so angry, and the elections may not matter. I am telling you, and I believe it, the country is so angry that when I hear people talking about the elections, I feel very annoyed, because we are going to get it all wrong again. Right now, the court, and in fact I have a lot of problems about the court, but yesterday, the court the High Court made a very important ruling, saying that Kenya Kwanza is not the majority party. The majority party in parliament is Azimio. What are we going to do about it? Are we going to again sit on the table and make a deal? What the court said, the High Court said yesterday, is a confirmation that the election results that were announced in the last elections were not correct. That is the confirmation. Because Raila's party and coalition could not have got the majority of seats, the majority of governors, the majority of senators, and lose the presidential election. And now we are talking about the elections. We are talking about the elections. Even if you look at the situation we are in Kenya, we should try and fix Kenya fast. And me, I believe Moi was more powerful, Kenyatta was more powerful, and yet they were shaken until we had to change the constitution. They were shaken! And that's why we moved transition from one party to a multi-party system. It was not easy. It was not easy. We have to be very much conscious and aware of the danger. But as we speak today, we are praying and we are praying for Raila Odinga to succeed this week, this coming week in Addis Ababa. And part of Raila's mission is being judged on his track record. He has got friends all over also. He has got friends, and he's going to win on his own credentials. That is what is making him such a compelling and attractive candidate for the whole of Africa. Wavenya, umesema umenena, hata mimi Kalonzo rafiki yangu, lakini kwa sasa turudishe gia nyuma kidogo. Tutafute mbinu. Kwa sababu kwa sasa hata mahali Kalonzo anatembea, nani Kioni anasema yeye anataka Matiang'i. Kioni anasema anataka Matiang'i. Wamalwa pia anataka. So even that group, if you go divided, leave alone Raila. Raila is leading a national movement. Lakini if we cannot resolve the problem, the constitutional problem, the structural problems, including the problems about elections, tutakuwa na tabu, tutakuwa na matatizo nyingi sana.